I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make baba ghanouj. First, select 2 medium eggplants weighing about 1½ pounds. Pierce them several times with a fork to prevent bursting during cooking. You can roast them over an open flame for a smoky flavor or in a hot oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 45 minutes until they are very soft. This step is essential for a rich, authentic taste. After your eggplants have cooled sufficiently, carefully peel away the charred skin. It should come off quite easily. Discard the skin and gently squeeze out any excess liquid from the pulp. This prevents your baba ghanouj from becoming watery. Then, finely chop the smoky eggplant pulp or mash it thoroughly with a fork until it reaches a smooth, consistent texture. This forms the base of our delicious dip. Now it's time to blend everything together. In a bowl, combine your mashed eggplant with 1/4 cup of creamy tahini. Next, add 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, which provides a wonderful brightness. Stir in 1 finely minced clove of garlic and a pinch of salt. Mix all these ingredients thoroughly until they are well incorporated and the mixture becomes smooth and creamy. Finally, taste your baba ghanouj and adjust the seasonings as needed. You might want a little more salt or a touch more lemon juice to suit your preference. Before serving, drizzle about 1 tablespoon of good quality extra virgin olive oil over the top. For a beautiful presentation, garnish with some fresh chopped parsley or a sprinkle of paprika. Serve this delightful dip with warm pita bread or crisp fresh vegetables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.